Hi there, ICT students. This is your teacher Jarlyn again, and welcome back to another episode in word processing. So your learning competency this week is create a Word document, edit a Word document, and format a Word document. Here are guide questions for you. How do you create a Word document? How do you edit a Word document? And how do you format a Word document? So last time, we already discussed what Microsoft Word is. So Microsoft Word is a word processor that allows you to create various types of documents. So I hope in your computer, laptop, or cell phones, you already have there installed Microsoft Word or other application which is similar to this. So let us start our discussion with how to move around a document. But first, again, we will open our Microsoft Word. So on your search bar here, type Microsoft Word or simply Word. And then the application is here. So just click enter on your keyboard. Then, let us select a blank document. Or, you can also select the documents you already have here. So, for our discussion, let us select your ict7 week 2 LAS, the document that I already have here saved. Okay, so how to open an existing document? So click File and then click the document. So you have here our file. So we are now in step 3. The flashing cursor or mouse pointer in the document tells you where you are typing. So as you can see, we are now in step 3 and you have here the flashing cursor, if we have observed. Wherever the flashing cursor is placed, the letters that you type will be inserted at that point. Let me type letter H here. Let's erase that. When you start a blank document, the flashing cursor will be at the start of your document ready for you to start typing. So here is our document. This is the flashing cursor. So as you type, the cursor will also move with each letter. This guides you so that you know where to focus your typing. The mouse can be used for moving around a document. This time I am using my mouse, and as you can see, the cursor is moving around as I do or as I move my mouse around. When the mouse pointer is moved over the text area, the pointer will change from an arrow to a text select or I-beam icon. Can you see this? Here's my mouse and it shows I-beam icon. Move the text, select or mouse pointer with your mouse to where you would like to change or add text. So just click the left-hand mouse button. This will then place the flashing cursor at the point where you have clicked so that you can edit or insert here. So I am using my mouse to move around the document. Aside from mouse, pressing the arrow keys will also move the flashing cursor up a line of text down, left, or right. So we can use, if you have to watch on your, try to look on your keyboard, so move up. This time I'm not using my mouse, but I'm using the up arrow. Move down, down arrow, left arrow, and the right arrow. That's how you move around your document. Okay, so this time we will discuss how to select text in a document. So here we are already done with step 1 and 2 because we already have our document. So let's proceed with step 3. And again, using your mouse, you have here the I-beam icon. So this at the step 1 before the letter S. So you have to move your mouse where you would like to start the selection. Here we will start from step 1 and then click and hold the left mouse button. Click and hold the left mouse button and then move the mouse where you want to stop. So I am clicking and holding down the left mouse button and to stop it here. As you can see, the text that I selected are highlighted. So that's the time you can format the text that you have selected. So aside from using the mouse, you can also move and select the text using the arrow keys on the keyboard. So all you just need to do is to click and hold the Control and Shift again on your keyboard. Look at there, Control and Shift, or just simply the Shift button, hold it, and then use the arrow down or arrow to the right. As you can see, it's moving. I'm pressing now the Shift and the arrow right button. You can also click the arrow down as I am doing. That's it for selecting text in a document. Alright, now let us discuss how to format text in a Microsoft Word. So we already have the Microsoft Word opened, or the document opened. And the third step is to select text that you wish to edit or change. So remember, you can use your mouse or keyboard. So since I have mouse here, I will use my mouse. Click the left mouse button and then select until where you want to edit. So as you can see, then the text here are already highlighted. But to change the selected font to bold, just click D in the formatting ribbon. So we have here the formatting ribbon. So we have here the formatting ribbon. So to make the selected text bold, just click here letter B. As you can see, it is highlighted and it turned to bold. If you want it to be italic, just click the letter I or underline the letter U here. You can also do this using your keyboard shortcut. So first let us undo. You can click here to undo, or you can also click again what you have formatted. So bold, italic, and underlined. So in your keyboard, click there Control, and then to make it bold, it's letter B. Again, Control and letter B. To make it italic, Control letter I. Again, Control letter I. And to underline the text, Control letter U. Control letter U. That's how you format text in a Word document. Now let us proceed with how to copy and paste text. So we already have the document and we will highlight the text that we want to copy and paste. So let's have here step 3. So how to copy? So same at our formatting ribbon, we have here the copy. You can see here. Again, here at the clipboard, click copy, and to paste it, let us click where we will paste it. Here, for example, click paste, this one. And there you go, you have your copy for step 3. Aside from using the mouse, we can also select again using keyboard. Copy and paste using keyboard. So simply can highlight the text that we want to copy. So let's have here step 4. And then using your keyboard, control, then letter C. Again, control, letter C. And then click or which position you want to paste your document. So to paste, text, control V. To paste is control V. There you go, you already have the copy for step 4. That's just how you copy and paste. Lastly, we will discuss how to edit the alignment of your text. So we have here center align, left align, right align, and justify text. So we already have our document. First step is to highlight the text that you want to change the alignment. So in our case, let's highlight everything. So if you want to highlight everything, you can also click Ctrl A on your keyboard. So first we have our mouse. So as you can see here, so here at our home tab, under group the paragraph, so you have here the left align, center align, right, and justified. So again, highlight the text that you want to change the alignment. So in our case, it is defaulted to left align. If you want to do the center alignment, just click this one. So notice the changes. So as we change the alignment, the text also changes. So right alignment and justified. So for left alignment, it has equal margins here at the left. For center, it is centered. For right alignment, equal at the right. And for justified, equal at the left and right. So aside from doing it using your mouse, you can also do this using your keyboard. So the shortcut is Control and then L for left alignment. Notice the changes. Control E for center alignment. Control R for right alignment. And Control J for justified. So that's it for your topic this week, and you have learned how to create a Word document, edit a Word document, and format a Word document. So it's now time for your activities. So on your week 2 last 2, still word processing, accomplish activities 1 and 2 on page 3 and reflection on page 4. Same process. Once done, send it offline using USB or online through Messenger or email. That would be all for this week, class. See you next week. Goodbye.